OpenAI just unveiled ChatGPT Edu, a powerful new AI tool designed specifically for the academic world. This AI assistant promises to transform how students, faculty, and researchers approach their work. But what exactly does this mean for the future of education? Let's find out. OpenAI new model, ChatGPT Edu. The introduction of ChatGPT Edu signifies a step forward in the integration of AI within educational environments. With ChatGPT Edu, educational institutions can leverage AI technology to enhance various aspects of campus life and learning experiences. The ChatGPT Edu model offers access to GPT-4o, which is the latest and most advanced version of OpenAI large language model. GPT-4o is better at understanding text and analyzing data compared to its predecessors. What makes GPT-4o even more impressive is its multimodal capabilities, meaning ChatGPT Edu will be able to handle different types of inputs, such as audio, text, and images. This allows for faster responses and more natural conversations. The integration of GPT-4o in ChatGPT Edu makes it a powerful tool for learning and communication. Artificial intelligence has stirred up mixed feelings among educators. Many teachers, especially those in middle and high schools, worry that students might rely too much on it and avoid learning. They fear that instead of understanding concepts deeply, students might just use AI to get quick answers without truly grasping the material. Surprisingly, some universities were already using ChatGPT, but they had to use a version called Enterprise. This version was more focused on business needs and didn't fully meet the requirements of educational settings. This growing trend caught the attention of OpenAI, leading them to develop ChatGPT Edu, tailored to meet the unique needs of academic environments. It comes with enhanced features and capabilities designed to support learning and teaching in schools and universities. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman highlighted that the launch of ChatGPT Edu is a response to the increasing demand and creative use of AI in education. The company aims to enable educators to use AI responsibly within academic settings, benefiting students, faculty, researchers, and campus operations alike. The goal of ChatGPT Edu is to bring AI closer to education, making it more accessible and beneficial for everyone involved. With this model, students can have access to personalized learning experiences, interactive tutoring, and instant assistance with their studies. Teachers, on the other hand, can leverage AI to enhance their teaching methods, streamline administrative tasks, and provide more individualized support to students. ChatGPT Edu features and capabilities. One notable advantage of ChatGPT Edu is its adaptability. OpenAI stated that universities can customize the model using their data to meet the unique needs of their courses and programs. For instance, if a university focuses on engineering, they can train ChatGPT Edu with engineering-specific data and materials. This makes the tool more relevant and effective for students and faculty in that field. This ability to customize means that ChatGPT Edu can specialize in areas that are important to each institution. It can support learning in diverse subjects, from the sciences and humanities to business and the arts. Another remarkable use of ChatGPT Edu is in personalized learning. This AI tool can offer students customized tutoring sessions. It can help them with specific areas where they need more understanding. Instead of one-size-fits-all teaching, ChatGPT Edu tailors its support to each student's unique needs, helping them to understand difficult concepts at their own pace. Another benefit is detailed resume feedback. ChatGPT Edu can review a student's resume and provide specific suggestions on how to improve it. This personalized advice can help students create more effective resumes, which can increase their chances of landing jobs or internships. ChatGPT Edu also enhances interactions with course materials. Through engaging with the AI, students can explore topics more deeply and ask questions about the material they are studying. This interaction promotes a more engaged learning experience, as students are not just passively receiving information, but actively working with it. This approach helps make learning more effective and enjoyable. For faculty and researchers, ChatGPT Edu provides valuable tools to assist with various tasks. For instance, ChatGPT Edu can handle data analysis by processing large sets of data and extracting meaningful insights. This is particularly useful for researchers who deal with extensive data sets, as it speeds up the analysis process and ensures accuracy. Additionally, the AI can help write grant proposals by organizing information and drafting persuasive narratives, increasing the chances of securing funding. Also, ChatGPT Edu excels at summarizing complex academic documents. It can turn lengthy research papers and articles into concise summaries, making it easier for faculty and researchers to stay updated on the latest developments in their fields without spending hours reading. These capabilities can save a large amount of time, enabling faculty to focus more on direct student engagement and innovative research. Beyond teaching and research, ChatGPT Edu is set to transform campus administrative tasks by automating routine processes. For example, when it comes to grading, ChatGPT Edu can quickly and accurately assess student assignments. This not only speeds up the process, but also ensures consistency in grading. Similarly, providing student feedback becomes much more efficient. ChatGPT Edu can generate detailed and constructive comments on student work, helping them understand their strengths and areas for improvement. ChatGPT Edu can manage other administrative tasks that typically require a lot of time and effort. This could include scheduling, managing course enrollments, or even processing forms and applications. By automating these processes, academic staff can save valuable time and focus on more important aspects of their roles, such as engaging with students, conducting research, and developing new courses. The model can be used in more than 50 languages, making it available to people all around the world who speak different languages. Another important aspect of ChatGPT Edu is its emphasis on privacy. The platform prioritizes the security of user data by incorporating enterprise-level security measures and administrative controls. These controls allow administrators to manage data privacy and user permissions effectively, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. OpenAI has assured users that their data will not be used to train the models available to the general public. This means that the personal information shared on the platform remains confidential and is not used for any other purposes. Users can have peace of mind, knowing that their data is secure and protected. One area where OpenAI isn't making promises is assisting with assignments. This has been a source of debate at some universities. Detecting papers written with the help of AI is challenging. Many detection tools can mistakenly flag human-written text as AI-generated, leading to inaccurate results. The concern about AI assistance with assignments stems from the importance of academic integrity. Students are expected to produce their work independently, and using AI to complete assignments can raise ethical concerns and undermine the learning process. While AI can be a valuable tool for learning and research, it should complement, not replace, the efforts of students. The future of learning. A lot of colleges and universities believe that artificial intelligence will be a big part of our future. They're working hard to teach students how to use AI responsibly. One example is Professor Nabila El-Bassel from Columbia University. She's leading a project to bring AI into strategies that help communities reduce overdose deaths. Professor El-Bassel's team created a custom AI GPT. This tool can analyze huge amounts of data quickly. It helps them figure out the best ways to intervene in situations where overdoses are happening. Normally, researching all this data would take weeks, but with the GPT, they can do it in just seconds. This means they can react faster and save more lives. This shows how AI isn't just a fancy technology for the future. It's already making a big difference in solving real-world problems. Similarly, at Wharton School, both undergraduate and MBA students in Professor Ethan Mollick's classes use ChatGPT for their final reflection tasks. Through their interaction with ChatGPT, students were encouraged to reflect on what they had learned throughout the course. They found that teaching the GPT about the course content required them to revisit key concepts, clarify their understanding, and think critically about how they applied the knowledge. This process of teaching the model helped solidify their understanding of the material and reinforced their learning. Furthermore, using ChatGPT for reflection tasks offered students a unique opportunity to articulate their thoughts and insights conversationally. Instead of writing traditional essays, they could have interactive conversations with the AI model, which made the reflection process more engaging and personalized. Meanwhile, Assistant Professor Christian Reeves at Arizona State University is working on creating a special language buddies GPT for students. This GPT is designed to help students practice speaking German and receive personalized feedback based on their language proficiency level. The goal is to improve students' communication skills while also making it easier for faculty to evaluate their progress. The Language Buddies GPT is customized to match each student's language level. Whether they're beginners or more advanced learners, the GPT provides tailored conversations and feedback to help them improve. With this tool, students can practice speaking German in a supportive environment and receive guidance on areas where they can improve. This initiative is part of Arizona State University's efforts to enhance the learning experience for students and streamline assessment processes for faculty. By integrating OpenAI's technology into its educational and operational systems, ASU is embracing innovation and accelerating its transformation as a leading institution in higher education. Kyle Bowen, the Deputy Chief Information Officer at Arizona State University, highlighted how the university is embracing new technology like OpenAI's GPT to enhance both its educational programs and administrative processes. This integration of innovative technology is speeding up changes and improvements at ASU, making the university more efficient and effective in its mission to provide quality education to students. Bowen emphasized that the entire university community worked together to use these tools effectively and share their experiences. The goal of this collaborative effort was to create a model that could be easily scaled and used by other institutions. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.